Hello everyone. So till now we know about the element, we know about the HTML, we know about the attribute and other things. So now we are going to discuss about the heading. What are the heading we have in HTML? Heading are used for the title or subtitle in HTML basically, which display on a page, on a web page. So what are the type of H1 heading tag we have? We have a 6 type: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, and H heading tag is also important for the SEO indexing. So H1 heading tag is not only for the title or subtitle. This is also important for the search engine optimization when we are indexing something on a page. So H1 tag or H2 tag is very important. So this is also a best practice when we are using heading tag. Never use H2 tag if H1 tag is not available in your page. So make sure if you are using H1 tag, so if you're using H2 tag, then H1 is already present in our web page. So this is very best practice. So in for using heading, you have to use in a serial wise. Like if you're using H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, you do not have to use, like you use first H6 and then you have to use H1. Then this is not a good practice actually. Okay, so these are the heading type. So how we use in our pages? Let's show you some example. Like here, I'm just putting here, like here I was already putting here, put it here H1, like I'm putting heading 1. I'm just doing H2, just copy pasting 1 2 3, like 2, heading 2, heading 3. Okay. So these tags have some default font size, so this that will browser will take care. So not necessary you can use the same font size which browser is rendering. You can define your own size. For example, you want to change heading uh, one heading size, font size, so you can change. Just I'm showing as demo. For example, like I want to make sure the heading 1 should be the 38 pixel, so I'm just using style attribute font size 38 pixel. So just save it and go here. See, now it's the 38 pixel. If you just inspect it, you will see it's a 38 pixel. If you just close it, you will see this coming up and down because size is coming increasing and decreasing. So you can define. Yeah, so here is questions coming. What is the style? Style is also part of attribute which we can use for defining our some styling, like if we want to style something our page, so you can use this is style. This we call in inline styling. So that is not best practice to use inline styling, so always I will suggest you go with the external style, so which I will explain in coming lecture. So this is just demo. I want to show how we can change the font size, so that's why I'm using. So that's about the H1 heading tag. Thank you.